Okay, guys, so this is our next question from Cat 23 slot 2. You can pause the video and try this one, and you can then resume the video for the solution. Okay, guys, so let both the series A1, A2, A3 and B1, B2, B3 be in arithmetic progression. So we have two arithmetic progressions. They have the first term, the second term, the third term, the fourth term, the fifth term, like this, so on and so forth. They have the nth term. Sequence 1 is A1, A2, A3, this sequence, and sequence 2 is B1, B2, B3, this sequence. Okay, such that the common differences of both the series are prime numbers. Okay, so the common difference of both the APs is the prime number given. What else has been given to us? If A5 is equal to B9, telling you that for the first sequence, the fifth term is the ninth term of the second sequence. So if I populate the series further, here I will somewhere around here, I'll get the ninth term of the second AP. So these two terms are equal. The 19th term of the first sequence, A19, is same as 19th term of the second term, B19. Okay, so for both the terms, the 19th term is same. And B2 is 0. For the second AP, the second term is 0. So first things first, in the second AP, if your second term is 0, let the common difference be equal to x. So the next term will be 0 plus x, which will be x only. The very next term would be x plus x, 2x. In the next term, we'll again add x, 3x as the next term, right? We can observe a difference of 2 here, right? The third term is basically 1x, fourth term is 2x, fifth term is 3x. So 3 and 1, the gap is 2, 4 and 2, the gap is 2, 5 and 3, the gap is 2. So the nth term will be n minus 2 into x. Okay, this is your second AP. T1 is not relevant here, but yes, you can subtract x from this, you'll get minus x, right? Similarly, for the first AP, let's take the first term A only, and the common difference is D. So first term will be A, second term will be A plus D, third term will be A plus 2D, so on and so forth. Your nth term will be like any other AP, A plus n minus 1 into D, right? Okay, so it seems that now we are in a position to answer the question. We know that A5 is equal to B9. For the first sequence, A5 is the fifth term. It will be A plus 5 minus 1 into D, right? From this relation, from the nth term of the AP, A plus 5 minus 1 into D will be A5 in this case, okay? And B9 is the ninth term of the second AP. We have seen that the nth term is n minus 2 into x. So for the second AP, the ninth term, B9 will be 9 minus 2 into x. That will be 7x. The question tells you these two are basically equal. So from this, we can conclude A plus 4D shall be equal to 7x. Now, the second condition is A19 is equal to B19. For the first AP, the 19th term A19 will be A plus 19 minus 1 into D. Okay, this is A19. And for the second AP, B19th, the 19th term will be n minus 2 into x. So 19 minus 2 into x. Since they are equal, we equate the two. We'll get A plus 18D should be equal to 17x. Now, the whole question revolves around finding out A11, right? So we completely ignore, or we completely eliminate the value of x. And for that, I'll simply divide these two equations. Just divide these two equations. And after dividing these two equations, we get A plus 4D upon A plus 18D shall be equal to 7 by 17. And then we cross multiply. When we cross multiply these two, we will get 17A plus 68D will be 7A plus 126D. Then we will simplify this. 10A is equal to, that side will get 58D, or A by D will eventually be equal to 29 by 5. We can cancel out the common factor 2. Now, this may seem to be a dead end for most of the people who have not read the question properly. In the question, they have given us that the common difference of both the series is a prime number. So the common difference D for the first AP, okay, D should be a prime number. If A by D is 29 by 5, basically D cannot take any other value except 5, right? So the only possibility is D is 5 and A is 29. That means for the first AP, we have found the first term and the common difference. And then we can find out the 11th term as required from this relation, A plus n minus 1 into D. So the 11th term of the AP, as they've asked in the question, A11 will be equal to A plus 11 minus 1 into D. We have found both the values. A is 29 plus 11 minus 1 would be 10, and common difference D is 5. The correct answer to the question is 29 plus 50. That should be 70.